Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process if you're wondering how to see the last seen on Telegram if it is hidden. So let's just get started with the video and find out how. You can start by opening up Telegram for that on your device, and once you open up Telegram, you will be finding these chats on your screen. So the easiest method you can try out is you can try using Telegram Premium. So you can head over and look out for the menu icon in the top left corner and go ahead and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it from the given options, you can just go over and look out for the option for settings and open it up. Now that you've opened up your settings, you may just scroll to the given options and head over the section called Telegram Premium and go ahead and tap on it. And when you go ahead and tap on it, the Telegram Premium opens up on your screen with different options available. So what you may do is you may basically go ahead and subscribe for Telegram Premium. And once you do so, Telegram Premium users do have the ability to see others' last seen and read times, even if they have hidden their own, but they still cannot see the last seen status of someone who has hidden it from all of the users. So you can just go ahead and do so. Apart from that, you can head back and from here go to settings once again and then go over to privacy and security. And once you head over to privacy and security, you can select the option for last seen and online. And if you have hidden your last seen and online the other users, you won't be able to see other users also. So you just need to go ahead and select the everybody or my contacts. When you do so, it will configure the privacy settings. If they have not hidden but you have hidden your own, you will be able to see others last seen status in Telegram. And that's it. Alternatively, you cannot generally see someone's last seen on Telegrams, as this is a privacy feature that they have chosen to enable. However, you can see sometimes their activity by sending a message or observing when their message receives the two check marks, which shows a very recent online status, and you may get a last seen recently status update. And that's it. So therefore, guys, you may follow up this process. For that, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.